how to track if a node has been visited or not. A bit mask is nothing but an integer. Each bit in the bit mask represents whether the vertex has been included or not. For example, if no vertex is selected, then it is 0, 0, 0, 0. And remember, this is the 0th vertex, the first vertex, second and the third. So if we have that vertex 0 is selected, then we have it as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. What if 3 is selected, 1 is selected and 0 is selected? And what if all the vertices are selected? The entire idea revolves around the fact that when you have a 1 and when you do a left shift on 1, the effect is different. For example, let's do a left shift of 0 on 1, you still get a 1. So if you do a left shift of 1, it shifts once towards the left, and here I shift twice towards the left, and here I shift thrice towards the left. This is informing that vertex 0 has been visited. This is vertex 1 has been visited, vertex 2 has been visited, and vertex 3 has been visited. Now let's see how to set a vertex, or in other words, say that vertex 2 has been visited. Assume this is your initial mask, and what if your 2 is visited? So first we do a left shift by 2. So a left shift by 2 will result in 0, 1, 0, 0. So how many times we'll do a left shift depends upon the vertex number. Now let's do an OR operation on this, and this is our end result. The final result is such that vertex 2 has been visited. What if our initial mask was this way? In other words, what if vertex 1 was earlier visited? So in that case, when you do an OR operation, it would have been 0, 1, 1, 0, which means vertex 1 and vertex 2 have been visited. Next, let's check if a vertex has been visited. To check if a vertex has been visited, we do a bitwise AND on the mask. Let's say this is your mask. If you want to check if vertex 2 has been visited, we first do a left shift on 2 and do an AND operation. Doing an AND operation results in a 0. In this case, we get a 0, 1, 0, 0, in which case this will amount to a true value, whereas here and here they were false. So if it is a truth at the end, then we say that the vertex has been visited. We check how to unvisit a visited vertex. Suppose we want to unvisit vertex 2. First we do a left shift on it, take the complement of the bits, and then assume that this is the mask, that is vertices 1, 2 and 3 were visited. Now when we perform an ampersand operation on this, we have mask ampersand equal to, and then we have tilde 1 left shift 2. And this ensures that what was already visited is now unvisited. Thank you.